and as you can see, this one, this one, this swing point, sorry about that. Yeah, we had this swing point, and this swing point. So after this break of structure here, a new law was printed here. So this gave me a picture of a clear-cut bearish trend. So what we had was a break of structure here. We had this structure break right there. Let us see what happened. So we had this touch here into this zone. Had that touch there into that zone. So what we had to do, we had to drop down to the 1 minute time frame to see whether the lower time frame had some confirmations for us. So at the 1 minute, what we had was this nice rejection from here. Price started cascading down as soon as it touched into this zone. So we had to wait for a valid swing low to go. As you can see here, we had this point here, could have served as our swing point here, but due to the fact that sometimes price doesn't read books, at the second time frame, these points here could serve as our swing points. So here we were going to use internal structure because the 1 minute time frame hasn't changed its valid swing points. Like the 1 minute is still bullish, as you can see, the 1 minute is still bullish. So we are going to use an internal structure change of character. Let us see what price printed. There was that nice push to the downside. So after price pushing all that, we had this point here whereby we got our internal structure break of character here. So this point was going to serve as an inducement point. This high here was going to serve an inducement point. Why was it going to serve as an inducement point? Because the extreme wasn't mitigated yet. This was our extreme zone at the 1 minute, this point. So I was happy to take trades here, not here, because as you can see up here we had some nice imbalances here. So probably this point was going to serve as an inducement whereby price was going to come, give off a nice reaction, then push to the downside. So people are going to place here their trades. Here retailers were going to place their trades targeting this low, not knowing that there is this imbalance. So here there was going to be some structural liquidity sweep here. So let us see what happened. Yes, price is printing nicely. Yeah, you see we had this nice rejection here. So some people were going to place their orders there, placing their stop losses here, creating liquidity here up. So this gave me a picture that after price sweeping this, it might react from here, or probably it might even also sweep this point here, then it cascades downward. Let us see what happened. Yeah, this was a lucky shot. This was some nice. So retailers who were trading this point, they had some nice stop losses of 7 pips. Yeah, this was a nice RR trade, but the extremes work better for me. Yes, price prints. This was a nice short. Yeah, you can see some nice trades, some nice pips were backed on this position. Yeah, 70 pips. Wow, that was nice, but always stick to the rules. My target was the extreme. Let us see what happens. So yes guys, feel free to join our free telegram channel, whereby we give free signals as this Gbpjpy trade was shared with the guys in the community. Yeah, price is still printing. Let me speed it up a bit. Price pushes nicely. This was our point of interest. So yes guys, as you can see, price pushed and broke this zone, but as I told you, there might be a liquidity sweep here, then we shall have nice push down to fill this liquidity, to sweep this liquidity here. There were some imbalances also evidenced here in this push. So let us see what happened. Yeah, after sweeping the liquidity, price gave off an FU candle here plus an engulfing candle. So this gave us an entry point. After liquidity sweep, there was this FU which was formed here, then an engulfing candle. So we are executing our trades from there. Stop loss a tight one because lower time frame order flow was heavily bullish. So we are going to target this low here. Let us see what happened. Yeah, price retests there. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, there my telegram channel. This is my free telegram channel. As you can see, I told the guys here to sell Gbpjpy. This was our setup. Yeah, with 60 pips were bagged on this position.